What's going on, guys? Bruce here with Bullish Currency, back at you with another Shiba Inu update, guys. I have a good feeling Shiba is about to explode again, guys. Before we get into why I think this and the good news and the bad news and all the above, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell before I go over there. All right, no, I'm just kidding. But yeah, as always, guys, information we share here is definitely only for entertainment, education purposes only. It is not financial advice. You do whatever you want. I'm just going to share what I think is going on here in these crazy crypto spaces, but there are profits to be made. So me and the bullish currency community are definitely talking about projects that we are looking into and taking serious only. And you guys can do whatever you want with the information. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get right into it. All right. So Shiba, we're going to go ahead and take a look at this. We're going to start here first. So as you can see, everything is red, but not too crazy. 17% on the 24-hour volume isn't really nothing to really care about. Let's check the news real quick. So Shiba Inu reaches new milestone, right? Anytime anything reaches a new milestone, this is something when you got to start paying attention. By gaining 70,000 more holders, SHIB gained 7% of holders after reaching 1 million, guys. Fast too. Wasn't it like it was slow? SHIB burn rate to double in 60 days. Now, we have been talking about this, right? We have been talking about this. And look at that. Shiba Inu's dominance returns to Twitter. So we know that on Twitter, they're strong. But really, the burn rate that was what we want to focus on right now. In the next 60 days, they're going to do a crazy burn rate, guys. Looks like the first quarter is looking really good for 2022 for Shiba. We might not see much going on from now until then, or for at least maybe another week or so, but might see some more consolidation. But overall, everything's looking good. I just don't see why this project wouldn't just explode unless this is just a big old, manipulated thing. That'd be the only thing that would explain if this just crumbled. The only way I can explain it would be some kind of manipulation. Be honest. I'll just be honest, because in reality, there's too many good signs, too much good news, too many good things moves they're making that should only equal bullish behavior. So here we go. As you can see, the holders are still just steady increasing every single day, 3,000 to 4,000, which is pretty cool. We definitely want to get back to increasing 10,000 a day. That was something else when that was happening. All right, so we got the holders increasing. That's always good. The news is good, right? The burn rate's gonna double in 60 days, guys. That sounds crazy to me. That sounds like some astronomical type moves again, like it did before. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chart. So as you can see here in the chart, we're at a critical daily level. I want to say it's too critical, not as critical as quad 03062. Wait, is that? Sorry, I mean that's quad 022. So quad 022 is more of a critical level because there's a more bigger drop from that level. But even from this quad 030 level, this could be a significant drop if it starts to break through this level and the trend like we talked about before. But as of right now, it is just right there, and it's just, it's respecting, so far last 2 candles in a row respected this area. And that's what we need to continue to see. We need to see this start to turn around, at least like the way it turned around here, so that we can consolidate on top of this area and not have to break through to get down to the next level. Because what's happening is still just overall correction, whales moving in, whales moving out, people moving in, people moving out, depending on fear or whatever. And this could just be shaking off even more people. So this dropping to this level is not so far-fetched at all. I think it could be like the final blow to scare off a lot of, I guess you could say a lot of amateur investors that just get scared because they bought, somewhere over here because they thought this was the dip, or they got in right here because everybody was talking about it and it was already too late. And they're just watching their money decrease and they're just getting scared. And every day, maybe some are just deciding to sell because they're scared, like most amateur investors. But people are still pouring money into this project, especially where it's at now. So I don't blame them. Remember, I told you earlier that it was going to reach the length of this wick, and it did, right? It wicked here, and of course, it came right back down and touched it again to retest it again, as expected. So, I mean, I'm still bullish, guys. I'm still bullish, but I'm going to be honest. Is the bumpy ride over? Probably not, Can it break and go down to quad 022? Probably, guys. Probably for my day traders, it's not a big deal. It's not the end of the world. You can capitalize on that. But for those who are just buying Shiba, putting in their portfolio and holding, and maybe they got in after the hype was already dying out, I feel bad for you. And I'm not here to tell you what to do, but I'm telling you what I'm looking at and what I see. And for me personally, guys, I'm still bullish on Shiba. I think this is still potentially a great area to take the project serious just because of where it's at price-wise, and of course the chart, what the chart is telling me. But it is not, it is not out of the realm of possibility for it to break through and drop. That's why we got to pay attention to this level that we are on right now. Okay, this level and the trend level is what we really have to pay attention to see what the next daily and 4-hour candles do to those levels. Is it going to just start smashing through them, or what's going to happen? All right, so that's what we're paying attention to. And that's it really for this update, guys. There's not much going on, still same thing, but we do have some good news. And the holders, the army is growing stronger, so that's always good. That's it, guys. Until the next video, make sure you stay blessed and stay bullish.